Begin by removing the door of your grass catcher. Connect your extender to your catcher. Use a bungee cord or ratchet strap to temporarily secure your extender to your catcher. Grab your shark fin hook and place it on your catcher. Line it up with the latch on the extender. Use a Sharpie to mark the hole. This will be used as a reference point for drilling a hole and mounting the hook. Use a center punch to mark this spot. Double check the placement. Make sure the hook and the latch line up. Drill a hole using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Now you can remove your straps. Secure the shark fin hook using the provided nut and bolt. Use your Phillips head screwdriver and ratchet. Now you are ready to mount your extender. Secure the latch onto the hook.